Alright, so in my previous video I tested out this team sharpener, which is a ceramic carbide with a diamond tapered stick on it, which you can use for sharpening saw teeth on blades, serrations. You can also use it on the edge. And it worked, okay? I got it in order to be sharper. Now, I'm back in this video trying a different Teamer product, and this is a cheap Whetstone, which I have wet. Okay, so you don't want a dry Whetstone, you want a wet Whetstone. So it doesn't come wet, okay? It does not include water. Maybe we should put that on water. So I'm gonna test this out now. See if I can get it sharper. Just gonna send the ball over. Get it sharper without scratching up the blade too much. Then I'll pull it. It's a better angle for this. Need some more water. This vitamin C water. This is thirsty Whetstone. Running out of time. I don't think I made it over, so. This will take some work, more than I can fit in a 3-minute YouTube short. Might come back and show it if and when I get it really short.